Hello and welcome to another update video on MSTR Strategy Inc. Yeah, in one of the last videos we discussed the bigger picture, the larger time frames, so feel free to check out the last videos for the larger context. In this video I just want to take a look at the shorter time frame here at the moment, because the main question at the moment is whether we are in the white or the orange scenario. Now that's the overall question. Reminder, the white scenario is the bullish one, in which a very meaningful B wave formed a low here around the 17th of October. And if this low holds, specifically even the micro support zone, which is actually between $277 and $291.55, then the focus can be on higher prices. And the white scenario would hold in this case. We would be watching for a 5-wave move to the upside, which could eventually take us in the white scenario to new highs and to a new all-time high, possibly even into the direction of $800 plus. Now, there's a long way to go, okay? And this would be the white scenario. In the orange scenario, we can also go higher in a corrective rally, but this would already take us down lower eventually once this wave 2 is complete. Into a bear market, you could say. This is to a degree dependent on Bitcoin, not exactly, because Bitcoin formed several new all-time highs this year. Strategy didn't, so you can see that the stock isn't always moving with Bitcoin as many think it would. It's not doing that, right? It's moving kind of, possibly in correlation a lot, but the wave degrees and exact structures are different. So now, I said the main question is orange or white. I don't think we can answer it at this point, which means we should focus on what is currently actionable. Now, let's zoom in a little bit. Because what we can see on this chart is that we had a rally and a breakout above this trend line that kept the price down throughout October. Then a pullback, a retest, and another rally. But we have not seen yet a decisive break above the swing high from Monday, which formed at $306. It's rather a double top. And in Elliott Wave terms, from an Elliott Wave perspective, such a double top is very often a high B wave. And so we have not seen a break above resistance, at least not a decisive break above resistance here, which is between $295.94 and $302.86. Therefore, I think it is at least likely that we are still working on this pullback. Now, that could be in the white scenario, the bullish scenario, a wave 2. So from a bullish point of view, we have a wave 1 up, and then this would be the wave 2 to the downside. Wave 1 is the first wave in a larger 5-wave pattern. That's a trending pattern from an Elliott Wave point of view. The wave 2 would be the corrective pullback that follows. Very much possible. We're working on that right now. Again, support is between $276.93 and $291.55. Now, in the orange scenario, this could be a B wave pullback. All right, so you see, as I said, we cannot really distinguish between white and orange at the moment. I think we need to focus on the levels. And while there has been a short break above resistance, it's not a decisive break. So I think a broader wave 2 and the broader B wave, they remain part of the agenda, or at least it's possible, right? So in this case, we could test possibly this previous swing low again from Tuesday around $290, and then $287.20 is possible as well. If we move higher in a direct fashion, then I have to assume, so if we break above the Tuesday high, then I have to assume wave 2, wave B already bottomed, and we're already on our way higher, possibly towards $325. So that's just a quick update on MSTR that gives you a good idea of the relevant levels now that we need to pay attention to over the coming sessions. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested, make sure that you leave a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which other stocks you would like to see covered on this channel. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.